All right, can you hear me? Can anybody hear me? Test, test, 1, 2, 1, 2. Test, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Can you hear me? Hey, if you're in the live stream, don't worry about the Discord. Just type your question in. I'll try to go over the chart on Ripple. Okay, can you hear me okay? All right, perfect. Okay, and so you can see the chart of Ripple right here. It's a daily chart, okay? I don't know what time frame you're wanting to look at. Is this going to be like a... Well, just tell me. I mean, are you looking to, swing trade it, flip it, day trade it? What's kind of your idea? BTC, I'll get to that one here in just a sec. You were asking me about XRP though, right? All right, well, let's do this. I know it's a little bit delayed, but let's do this. Hang on, let me get my mouse pointer going. Let's see, let me get to where it's at. All right, I think that's it. Okay. So I'm going to come over here to a chart of Ripple, and this is on the daily chart, right? All right, so what do we got? Okay. The first thing you want to look at, obviously there's a lot of stuff going on, okay? Had this consolidation, dropped, came back up, tried to recover, came back down, and made a double bottom, okay? And if you guys know me, double bottoms are very important, right? They're very important. And so what did it do? It came up and got through on a wick through this tough resistance area right here. Okay? But a wick is nothing more than just, and you can see where the wick, I'll scroll out a little bit. You can see it came up and hit the 161 point, or I'm sorry, the 50% retracement. This goes way back. But this right here, this red line is the most important, right? That's where it consolidated. That was some big time shorts trying to keep it down. It came up, it got through it. They got some short covering, but then it's come back down here, and now you're falling into this consolidation zone again. So, and obviously when we got this big move up, they spread out, right? See the upper and then the lower. Now we're coming back in and we're getting a tight range, right? Okay, see this tight range? So what we want to start looking at is, obviously we have to get a candle close above this red line. That's important. Okay, it's obviously a very important zone. So let's do this. Let's just go over here and throw on some fibs. And let's just take our previous swing low, which was double bottom, and we'll take it up to the swing high, which was that wick. Okay? And let's just see what we got. Obviously, I think it's probably, there we go, 61.8, 78.6. Let's just keep those on there for just a sec. All right. So now I'm going to zoom in just a little bit. And here we go. We're holding the 61.8 retracement. We're also holding what looks like, I think that is the, let me see what that is. I think that's the 20. No, 100. So the 100-day moving average, you got above, hit, came back down. It's still trying to hold it. We're in between the 10 and the 20. Okay, we're right holding that area. But the Bollinger Bands are suggesting that, you know, it's going to come to a boil here at some point, right? Okay, that's just, when you see them tighten up like that, that just means a move is getting ready to happen. So what move is getting ready to happen? Well, let's scroll out a little bit. Let's go look at a weekly. All right. And so to me, and this is something that's pretty powerful right here. Okay, and I wish I had seen this. I just never kept an eye on Ripple a lot. But look at this. You had this downtrend, and then you had a doji, and then you had a big candle right here. Okay, is this any better, guys? Can you hear me? Can anybody hear me okay? Okay. All right. This has been a major pain here with YouTube. I need to find another outlet to be able to stream my stuff. If anybody has any suggestions on that, please let me know. All right. So going back to Ripple. So here on the weekly chart, you see where it had a major downtrend right here, right? Okay, everybody was all high on it back in here, downtrend here. And then what do we get? We get the reversal. Okay, big candle here. And then now it's trying to reverse that. But to get a major reversal, you really need to get below like the halfway point of this big green candle. And I can see this thing is slow as heck again. Sorry guys, let me do some adjusting here. This thing is wanting to record. Oh yeah, it's a pain in the ass, Abram. It's really tough. Oh my gosh.